Let's go over object selection in Plasticity. Here at the top bar, you can see you have 4 options, and there's actually 5. We'll get to that in just a second. You can see you've got control point, also known as a vertex. Generally use the term vertex if you're using a mesh modeling program instead of a CAD program like Plasticity. You've got edge, face, sheet, and solid. They're all pretty self-explanatory, but we'll go into them a little bit further, and you can see that there's a number beside them that will indicate what keyboard shortcut you can use. So these are going to be the top row of your keyboard, not your numpad. You can see if you cycle through 1, 2, 3, 4, it will cycle through your selection modes. So we'll start with control point. You can see that nothing shows up because control points are used for curves mostly, or if you raise the degree of a surface, which is much more advanced, but we'll get to that eventually. So you can see if I turn on the curves for this logo, and then I go to control points, this shows all of the control points. So we can make individual edits to each control point to change curves. Again, you're not going to use, you're generally going to use the control points when you are messing with the curves at the beginning, and then most of the modeling, you're going to go with edge, face, or sheet solid. I highly recommend using the shortcuts on the keyboard. It really will increase your efficiency, but it's always here. It's easy to go up to and select. Edges. Self-explanatory. You can see any of these edges on this model and you can select, and when you select an edge it will automatically bring up your fillet, which you can go one way to fillet and the other way to chamfer. Face select, again self-explanatory. You can select faces and offset those faces or do whatever you need to. And sheet and solid will select the entire object. You can see that this one is made of a bunch of different objects and they will highlight as you select them. You can marquee select by dragging to the right, and you can see that we're still on object select. So when we drag to the right, anything that is fully in this box is going to be selected. You can see that as things fully enter that box, they get selected. And if you drag to the left, anything that is touching the box will become selected. So this is very, very useful. The more complex models that you get into, the more that you'll use that.